Menteri ka Sarkar Jylla u ba Sanbor Shulai ula pentip ba menteri rang ba ka Jylla u Konrad ke sama bat usembut menteri rang ba Preston Tensong kin khat penlong ya ka jingialang ka bakerpang hadien ka Republic Day banyak keren ye ki babuan ki kam ki bayade bat ka jing pynroi ki jingtei ya ka balara banyak keren bat ki menteri ka Sarkar pedai habak keren syakilat petai kubor hak arpu tarik kelalingkat uba Sanbor ula ong ba ula pentip syau menteri rang ba hadien ka jinga kendu ka jong ringkat ka kinhun ki nongalam ka BJP na ka Jylla ya ki menteri ka Sarkar pedai ka bakentup ya menteri ya dari Rajnath Singh bat menteri ka Tanat Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari ban penpau ka jinsungu kya ha ka bayade bat ki kam ki barang sateng kum ka jingpan kan ria ki dalit sik na them yo maulong ka jingpan trekam ya ka building bylaws bat ka jingshim ya ka jaka shipai na ka benta ka project Shillong flyover na Jalupara Shabarik Point ula ong ba Rajnath Singh ula kular ya ka jingshim kya ka badala dihi ban penbet ya kini ki jing kat bana kalyang ugat kari ula kular banyarap ha ka bayade ba ka jingpen yo jaka na ka benta ka project flyover na Mahavira Park Shabarik Point da ka jingtemu ban wengi ka jingkapnya ha kalit kawan jengki kali hasor shlong Kiway pat ki mat balaya keren ki kentup ka jingshna penbha ya ka madan ya lek kai ha cantonment ka jingshna ya ka yo na ka benta ki nongshong dukan madan bar ka jingpen nek pensa ya ka kolshor jong ki try muluk na lor ka traditional complex hamolai uba Sanbor ula penpauru ya ka jingkermen bayai kini ki jing on la ban penbet hapu ki hinriu ni hinyo benai ki benwan kata da ka bakdau ya ka jingkerpa jong Rajnath Singh ban peteng ban ai khubor man kapor halor kini ki kam
So subsequently, we have prepared and bring it to the information all these problem and grievances within the cantonment area, which falls under the authority of the defense. So we have taken up certain issues like reallocation of this Dalit Sikh from Temyo Mulong to the defense land where we have from the government side also they have taken up, and I have also went to meet the Honorable Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Ji. So we have given a patient hearing regarding this NOC, this allotment of defense land under the cantonment board, where the Sikh community, this Dalit community, can be shifted from Tamil. That is number one. Number two, we have also met Nitin Gadkari ji also, who is the Minister of Road Transport and Highway, regarding this slow implementation of this flyover proposed from Jalupara under my constituency, taxi stand, till Barik Point. So that also we have taken up. Then Nitinji, he said that Nitinji, he have discussed with the authority of the defense, and accordingly he is writing one letter to the defense to speedy implement, to expedite the matter to allot these defense lands to the government. Then we also have taken up the issue regarding the cantonment ground, playground, then this construction of shifting of hawkers to construct the hawkers market, then this football ground, the drainage system, everything with the defense ministry, since it falls under the authority of the defense. And we have also met the tourism and cultural minister, where we have proposed, because the Department of Agriculture, they own a land just adjacent to CRP camp at Molai. So it's lying like that for many years. So we have come up with a proposal to set up this indigenous traditional complex there. Then they have accepted this proposal also. Then this way, the meaning is that we will preserve the indigenous culture of the Khasi Jentian Garu, the Senghasi, Syllad, and Songsoret. And we will come up with a big project where so many tourists, the component will be, the gas house will be there, then this traditional stall will be there, or like it is Delhi hut type. So all this proposal has been accepted. So I have also informed the Honorable Chief Minister regarding all this, my visit to the Union Minister. So after the Republic Day, special meeting will be convened by the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, and also Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Peludi President Tensong also regarding all these issues. So jointly as a government, MDA government, we will move to the center. Then from the all the union ministers also, they have, especially the defense minister, he was very happy to bring it to the information all this problem and grievances which happen in the cantonment area, which falls under the authority of the defense. So he's very happy that he have even requested me that you should come. Any problem arises, you should come to Delhi, meet, where he will take personal initiative to take up all the issue concerning the problem, and especially the speedy allotment of defense land to the government, as to enable the government to complete the road infrastructure. And at the meantime, we have also mentioned that it will subside this traffic congestion. All these issues have been discussed. Also met the director Estate Defense, Mrs. Joyti Sobha Gupta ji. So there we have taken up with her because she is the director of all the 61 cantonment area within our country, India. So we have brought to her information also, because these building bylaws of the Shillong Cantonment Board, which has been approved by the board few months ago, now it is there with the Ministry of Defense. So we have requested her also to expedite to approve these building bylaws, where the provision has been made within cantonment area. There will be G plus 2, in the 3-story. So this also, and we have also discussed regarding the STR, this tax within cantonment, to reduce the tax which has been fixed by the cantonment through the approval of the Finance Department, Government of India, Defense Ministry. So that also will be taken up. So once it is reduced, then the lessee of the Shillong Cantonment Board will come forward to pay the outstanding tax, and accordingly this also will give relief to all the lessee and the civilian living within the cantonment area.